Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will learn how to make money with cryptocurrency. So you are interested in getting into crypto and want to turn Bitcoin into cash. You are here all of the success stories. People making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when the price are high. Or perhaps you have friends who make a steady income by mining cryptocurrency. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all the end of doing it. A lot of people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they do not properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stage of development. As the cryptocurrency increase in price, more people comes into the industry. These newcomers are always trying to figure out how to make money from cryptocurrency. The good news is there are many ways of making money with cryptocurrency. Since 2011, there has been consistent growth in developer activity, social media activity, and the number of startups created into the cryptocurrency industry. Can you make money with cryptocurrency? Yes, why not? You can make money with cryptocurrency given the inherent volatility of crypto assets. Most involve a high degree of risk while others requires domain knowledge or experience. Trading cryptocurrencies is one of the answers to how to make money with cryptocurrency. All through the daily average volume of cryptocurrency trades is just 1% of the foreign exchange market. There is a lot of volatility in the crypto market, so there is the potential to do short-term trades. Even thought the crypto market is relatively small at the moment, there is great growth potential in addition to some of the more well-known cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, MP, Dogecoin, Elongate, Lotto, Moonshot, Polygon, SafeMoon, Stellar, Tether, WitHO, Shiba Inu. Likewise, there are a host of crypto buying platforms like Binance, Coinbase, and Robinhood. So you have plenty of options when it comes to making money with crypto. 6 strategies for making money with cryptocurrency. Number 1. Investing. Investing is the long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited to a buy and hold strategy. They are extremely volatile in the short term but have tremendous long-term potential for growth. The investing strategy requires you to identify more stable assets that will be around for the long term. Assets such as Bitcoin and Ethereum have been known to show a long-term price increase and can be considered a safe investment in the regards. The number 2. Trading. While investing is a long-term endeavor based on the buy and hold strategy, trading is meant to exploit short-term opportunities. The crypto market is volatile. This means the prices of assets can increase and decrease in price dramatically over the short terms. To be a successful trader, you need to have the proper analytical and technical skills. You will need to analyze market charts on the performance of the listed assets so that you can make accurate predictions about price increase and decreases. When trading, you can either take a long or short position depending on whether you expect the price of an asset to rise or fall. This means you can make a profit regardless of whether the crypto market is bullish or bearish. Number 3. Staking and lending. Staking is a way of validating crypto transactions. If you are staking, you own coins but you don't spend them. Instead, you lock the coin in a cryptocurrency wallet. A proof of stake network then uses your coins to validate transactions. You receive rewards for doing so. And in sense, you are leading coins to the network. This allows the network to maintain its security and verify transactions. The rewards you receive is similar to the interest a bank would pay you for a credit balance. The proof of stake algorithm chooses transaction validators based on the number of coins you have committed to stake. This makes it much more energy efficient than crypto mining and do not require you to own expensive hardware. You can also choose to lend coins to other investors and generate interest on that loan. May platform facilitate crypto lending. Number 4. Crypto social media. Multiple blockchain-based social media platforms will reward you for creating and curating content. You are often rewarded with the native coin of the platform. Number 5. Mining. Cryptocurrency mining is how to earn money with cryptocurrency like the original owners. Mining is still a crucial component of the proof of work mechanism. It is where the value of a cryptocurrency is generated. If you mine a cryptocurrency, you are rewarded with new coins. To mine, you need technical expertise and upfront investment in specialized hardware. Running a master node is a subset of mining. It requires expertise and significant upfront and ongoing investment. The number 6 and last is airdrops and forks. Airdrop and free tokens are distributed to generate awareness and exchange. Might do an airdrop to create a large user base for a project. Being part of an airdrop can get you a free coin that you can then use to buy things or to invest or trade. A blockchain forks because of change or upgraded in a protocol that create new coins. If you hold coins on the original chain, you will typically get free tokens on the new network. This means you get a free coin because you were in the right place at the right time. And other crypto considerations. Knowing and understanding the strategies above will be really helpful if you have a good grasp of concept around cryptocurrency. But if you are not clear on so of the basic, like understanding how crypto can value, how to read the crypto charts, what is ICO is, or how to pay taxes on your crypto gains, you might want to take a beat before diving. Thank you for watching video, and the last I will say that subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye. Good luck.